Hello students, I Harsh Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University Bhopal. Today I am going to discuss with you on number system example part 6. So let's start. Here is the question number 1. What smallest number should be subtracted from the number 9805 so that it is divisible by 8? Okay. We know if we check any number is divided by 8, then the last three digit is exactly divided by 8. So whatever the digits is present in any numerals, we can select last three digits. Oh, okay, so the last three digits of this numeral is 805. 805 is divided by 8, remainder is 5. If we deduct 5 in the above mentioned numerals, then the entire digit is divided by 8. Okay, so right answer is our 5. How we can put these right answers? Because we select last three digits 805 and divided this 805 by 8. So only 5 is the remainder remaining. So if we deduct 5, then the entire digit is divided by 8. Another question, which of the following number is divisible by 9? Okay, so 4 number is mentioned in the options and we need to check which is correct and which is exactly divisible by 9. So we can check the sum of each digit of every numerals. So for option number 1, 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 33, and 33 is not divisible by 9. So this is not the right options. We try for the option number 2. 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5, and whose sum is 31. So again, this is not the right answer because 31 is not divided by 9. We can choose option number 3 and check. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 30, and 30 is again not divisible by 9. So ultimately last option is remaining, and we need check 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9, and whose sum is equal to 36, and 36 is exactly divided by 9. So your correct number is option number 4. Okay, if 2 raised power p plus 1 is a prime number, which one of the following digit could be the value of p? And option is 3, 4, 5, 6. In such kind of questions, we put the options mentions in the numbers mentioned in the options. Okay, let's try with 3 option number 1. 3, if p is equal